Look at that hole the dog dug. Hi, I'm Thomas, and welcome back to our American English pronunciation series. Today, we're going to look at the sound like in dog and the sound like in dog. Let's start with the sound. This is a sound you hear in words like dug, love, and oven. This is a short neutral vowel sound made near the center of your mouth. To make the sound correctly, here's what you need to do. Your mouth should be slightly open with your lips unrounded. Just keep them relaxed and natural. Uh. Your jaw should be mid open and relaxed, not too open, not too closed. And your tongue should be slightly raised and stay in the central part of your mouth. So remember, slightly open mouth, relaxed jaw, and tongue in the center. It's a short, neutral sound. Let's practice together. Uh, uh, uh. So, how do you know when to use the sound? Well, it has a few different spellings. It's often spelled with U, like in cut and sun. It can be spelled with O, like love and oven, also. And sometimes it's spelled with an E, like before. Before is kind of more like a schwa, but it is definitely the before. Let's practice these words. Repeat after me. Cut, sun, love, oven. Now let's move on to the sound. You'll hear this sound in words like law, daughter, and Austin. This is a long, open vowel made toward the back of your mouth. Let me show you how we make this sound. Your mouth should be open with your lips slightly forward and rounded. Your jaw should be lowered with a little bit of tension. And the back of your tongue should be raised slightly and pulled back a little bit in your mouth. It's a longer, rounder sound, and it comes from the back of your mouth. Aw, aw, aw. You try it. The sound has a couple of different spellings too. It can be spelled with AW, like saw. It can be spelled with AU, like daughter. It's commonly spelled with an O, like dog. And you'll see it in words like bought as well. Let's practice. Saw, daughter, dog, bought. All right. Good job. Let's practice some minimal pairs. Dog, dog. Did you hear the difference between the and the ah? Okay, now repeat the rest of these after me. Luck, law. Mud, maud. Rub, rob. Dull, doll. Shut, short. Puck, pork. Cut, caught. All right, good job. Remember, the is short with your tongue in the center, and the is longer with your lips rounded and your tongue back. Let's practice some tongue twisters too. Listen and try to repeat the sentences after me. The dog dug a hole in the yard. She dropped the ball but caught the cup. He had no luck with the law today. The mud made it hard to walk under the awning. These are tricky. Don't worry if you need to slow down. That's normal. Let's try a few more tongue twisters. The doll was old, but not dull. They shut the door before the short break. The puck flew into the pork sandwich. The lucky log landed by the luggage. Bud bought his buddy a bun for $1. Great job. Remember, these are here to challenge you. So practice them slowly at first, then speed up a little bit later. Let's review everything we learned today. For the aw sound, your mouth's open with slightly rounded lips pushed forward, your jaws lowered with a little bit of tension, and the back of your tongue slightly raised and pulled back. It's a long, open vowel, like dog, law, and bought. For the sound, your mouth slightly open, your jaws mid open and relaxed, and your tongue stays in the center of your mouth. It's a short, neutral vowel. Words like cut, sun, luck, love, and oven. The biggest difference is that for the your tongue's in the center and your lips are unrounded. For the aw, your tongue's in the back and your lips are a little bit more rounded. The sound's longer with the aw, too. Getting the hang of these sounds takes time and repetition. Here are some tips. Most importantly, record yourself. Use your phone to record your pronunciation and then listen back. This is one of the best ways to identify areas where you can improve. And practice every day, even just 5 or 10 minutes. Consistency builds muscle memory, like an athlete going to the gym. Thanks for watching. I really hope this helps your pronunciation. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more great English videos, and we'll see you next time.